Assalamu alaikum class, how are you all? As you know very well, we was discussing about unit number 3, human health, and our page today, our page number is 48 and topic is communicable disease. You know very well, we was discussing about the communicable disease, how they spread and what they are. The communicable disease are those type of disease that can spread from a sick person to a healthy person, and these are communicable disease. But today we also discuss another ways how they convert and how they spread from one person to another person. We know that they are spread by many of ways. First of all, through air. Communicable disease are those type of disease which are spread from one person to another. These disease like measles, pneumonia, malaria, tuberculosis, these all diseases are spread from one person to another by different ways. First is through air. You know that you take air. You take in mean you when you inhale air and you take air in your body all the time, and this gives some organisms. Organisms mean germs, microbes. The chance mean opportunity. Be carried, be mean entered into our mouth, nose and lungs. In this line we are discussing that when we inhale air, different type of organisms, and we give the chance when we inhale air, we give chance to the organisms to enter into our body, and different type of organisms or microbes entered into our body through the mouth, nose and enter into our lungs, and they spread thousands of disease like flu, the common cold, TB are the examples of the disease that they use the route mean way to enter into our bodies through contaminated air. Contaminated mean polluted air. They are flu, common cold, TB, COVID-19, chickenpox, malaria, measles. These all disease are produced into our body when microorganisms entered into our body, and they multiply themselves, and they increase their amount here. They entered into our body through our nose, through our mouth when we take air in. When an infected person coughs or sneezes, the germs causing is released into the air and you breathe them in. How these type of disease entered into the healthy person? When an infected person, when that type of person who is already ill cough or sneeze, the germs mean these microorganisms and released out, and when we take air in, then these organisms entered into our body and they multiply themselves here and they increase the amount of disease in our body. So they are also spread through air, through infected person to another healthy person. The second reason is that through sharing the things. When we share our things with others, and if any unhealthy person share his food with healthy person, then these disease also spread from one person to another person. Like germs can also get transferred, mean moved by sharing beds. Like when you use bed which is used by infected person, towels, clothes and other things, or drinking together. When you eat things, when you share your things like bed, your food, your drinks, and these all disease enter into your body from infected person. Measles and tuberculosis are two type of disease. In measles there are in measles, some common rashes appeared on the body, and tuberculosis spread into the in this way. These all disease transferred from infected person to healthy person. So we know that these all disease spread through air, through sharing the things. Then third topic is that through food, how these disease convert into our body and produced into our body through food. But you know that when we eat uncooked food or unhealthy food, like this type of food on some organisms or some germs are sitting on it, and we ate uncooked food, then these type of foods also create disease in our body through food. How the disease entered into our body through food. Uncovered food or unhealthy food or uncooked food attract flies. Flies are type of insects, type of germs